Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Format Painter in Outlook. This incredibly useful tool allows you to quickly copy and apply formatting, like font style, size, and color, from one piece of text to another. It saves you a lot of time by eliminating the need to manually reapply each formatting attribute. We will cover both single and multiple applications, ensuring your emails look consistent and professional with minimal effort. For a single application, begin by highlighting the text that already possesses the formatting you want to replicate. Then, navigate to the Home tab in Outlook and click the Format Painter icon just one time. Your cursor will change, indicating the tool is active. Simply click or drag your mouse over the text you wish to format, and the copied style will be instantly applied. Then the tool deactivates automatically. When you need to apply the same formatting to multiple, non-contiguous sections of text, the process is slightly different. Start by selecting your source text, just as before. However, this time, double-click the Format Painter icon on the Home tab. This action keeps the tool active, allowing you to click and apply the formatting to as many different text selections as needed. To deactivate it, simply press the Escape key. Here are some tips to maximize your efficiency with Format Painter. It is excellent for ensuring consistent branding, like company fonts and colors, throughout your communications. You can apply formatting not just to words, but also to entire paragraphs or even larger sections of text. Always remember to double-click for continuous use across multiple areas. With a little practice, this powerful tool will become an indispensable part of your Outlook workflow, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.